Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. This is Shweta. Today I'm here to present Brass and Cymbals, where we have put together not just merely products but stories that can help you handle a lot of puja at ease. We have very unique kits that has been curated keeping in mind the needs of our customers. All these products can be bought standalone or as a kit together, making it very convenient to use for yourself or a great gifting option as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 kits just as a sample. We have a lot more kits listed online at www.wedtree.com, or you can visit our store to explore this collection of sacred and cymbals. As part of Brass Fest, we are unveiling very beautiful products every single day, and flat 10% discount is applicable through the entire month of January for you to pick any brass products. The first one comes with a very classy and elegant brass tray that comes with 8 inches in diameter. Looks very classy, comes with jali cutting work on the side and a very sturdy handle with intricate design. This one is a great puja utility, something that you can own for yourself and a great gifting option as well. Then we have a symbol of prosperity and good luck, a cow and calf in brass that comes in brown antique finish. This cow and calf is a beautiful product that you should definitely own. We have also added a brass kumkum dani, again comes with a transparent lid on the top and with intricate design. Definitely a beautiful piece that you can own. We've added 2 diyas in this set, making it very convenient to use it on either side of the figurine. Go ahead and shop for this entire kit at 1,599. Next, we have this beautiful kit where we've included a brass plate with intricate floral carving work done all throughout. Looks very classy and sturdy and something that can regularly be used during puja. We have added 2 crystal brass diyas, again a very small but a utility product that can be used regularly. We have added a Lakshmi small idol that comes in brown antique finish, again a symbol of prosperity and good luck that you should own for yourself. We have also added a beautiful utility product, a brass glass that comes with intricate design and floral work all throughout. A huge hit amongst our customers and definitely something that you can use during puja. And finally, we've added a dhoop dani that comes with a wooden handle, something that you can use during the puja. This entire kit is priced at 2,749. Next, we've added a beautiful product of Vishnumurti along with Shankh and Chakra. These are 2 different products that has been put together. A dhoop dan, 2 sets of Kerala diya that comes with 6 inches in height, and a brass urli that comes in plain finish, or we can also replace it with a hammered finish one. This one comes with 8 inches in diameter, and this entire kit is priced at 3,499. All that I showed you were 3 sample kits. We have a lot more kits available listed online, or you can configure and customize all these kits based on your need. Go ahead and embrace the beauty of brass and make it part of your daily routine. Or these are also classy gifts that your guests will definitely appreciate. Go ahead and shop for all our beautiful brass products online at www.wedtree.com. As part of Brass Fest, flat 10% discount is applicable on the entire range of brass products through the entire month of January. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.